Alright guys, so we got a quick unboxing. This is the level of the studio right now. I'm definitely going to start incorporating the SP1200 in some more productions, but mostly it's just been not even the KO2, it's been the MPC sample. We're just making stuff in Ableton, you know, old school Ableton, and then sequencing and Pro Tools. But you know, we like toys, so got a couple new toys that I'm going to let you guys peek today. This is the first one. So this is courtesy of Teenage Engineering. This is the EP136, aka the KO Sidekick, so that's why my KO is here. So it has a Sidekick now. I got the cool little starter pack, so it comes with audio cables. That's good to connect. Comes with batteries. Probably won't use those just because of TE. Some more audio cables, fire, and then it also comes with this to connect to that boy. So yeah, we'll see how we like that one. Super exciting. Let's see. Let's take it out real quick. Looks like the shipping thing that it ships in can also double as like a little case, so that's cool. Nice for people who like to recycle and reuse. Whoo. So it actually comes like this. I have it all upside down. I've been looking at it like this too, just because like this KO Sidekick looks right from that way, but I guess this is the right way to look at it. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, feels pretty nice. It definitely has the exact same vibes as the KO2 with these little Lego pieces, which is kind of cool. Definitely, these are like the Technic Lego pieces. I'm not sure what's the best way to open this. Didn't make that one too easy. Remember, be careful, guys. Be careful.